I've been working in Enter Island shipping line for almost 4 years. I meet a friend na market niya sa akin regarding sa company. Salary from Super Ferry vessel, minimal lang yung nare-receive ko din. Tama lang pangbigay sa parents, pang basic necessity. When the time na dumating na sa Santras, kahit maliit lang na benta mo, rewarded. I'm so thankful dahil merong incentives, commission, at PBMF na nare-receive. Goshen branch, always talaga attentive. Attentive in clients and mall money, activity from the company, digital selling. So lahat yan in-accommodate namin kung anong binibigay ng company. So motivation for the Cosan trustees, start of the day, we must always thanks God for His kindness and goodness. Life naman natin, either upside down, but we must continue to strive to have sales. Takes time, a right time para mag-produce ng sales. At continuous lang dahil ito fruitful para sa life natin.